going to talk about first a little introduction, what we want to achieve, how we going to achieve it, and a little demonstration of our working prototype. Well, as an introduction, who are we? We are Team 1, so this photo. We are all from Netherlands, around near our school, and we live respectively in Den Helder, Enkhuizen, Lisse, and Den Haag. Our goal, we want to make a monitorized app which is friendly for the patient to, well, actively play and give some output of data which will be sent to a medical specialist if something turns out wrong. Our app is specifically focused on Alzheimer's patients. When you are diagnosed with Alzheimer's in the first stages, you can self-monitor still your symptoms. Our solution is an app. We call our app Dory's Fish Tank. It's a little reference to Finding Nemo, the Dory fish. It's our app for tablets. Why Fish Tank? The Alzheimer's Foundation of the Netherlands has compiled a list of 100 activities which are doable for patients with dementia. So if you're starting to forget stuff, all activities are something which they used to do. So we choose an aquarium for feeding pets or taking care of fish. So it's something they can relate to. We also can extend an aquarium easily with more tests for some form of mini games, and extend it to even measure physical motion of the patients. How does it work? We have a list of mini games. Default, you start with the aquarium, and there you can take care of your fish. You have to feed them once in a while, and we could extend it with in several ways. We now have a Raspberry Pi connected to our tablet to support a Wiimote. The Raspberry Pi is connected over Wi-Fi to the tablet, and the Raspberry Pi is also connected to the Wiimote using Bluetooth. We can also have more mini games like sorting fish for connectivity, connection. So they have to sort the blue and the orange fish to able to succeed for the mini game. The level of the mini games depends on the stage of the patient. We also would like to have a mini game catching fish, which will be using the Wiimote as an user input. The medical information is completely out of sight of the patient, and it's when something tends to be wrong, it's when the doctor gets some signal from how well you should check on the patient. And we also would like to add sounds for better user feedback and a more immersive experience for the user. We will have a little demonstration of our prototype. We first have to pair the Wiimote with the Raspberry Pi. Using that already?
Ja? Oké. Omdraaien. Omdraaien. Nee, omdraaien, letterlijk omdraaien. Nee. Ja.
Each minigame gets a little explanation because, well, the patient tends to forget the app every time. So first get a reminder of what you actually have to do. Once you close it, the minigame actually starts, and you can take care of your fish. As of now, we only implemented feeding the fish, so they get hungry over time. If you have no clue what to do, you can always personal help with it. It's available in all mini games. You can tell you what to do again. The mini games are available under the menu button, and so now we start to implement a few mini games. Shark Attack is a nice example. Here, the action time is measured by sharks coming in your fish tank, which you have to step out. Here comes shark. Really all the fish. After the mini game is closed, the data is stored to the internal hostage. We saved in two ways at the moment. To show an example, we made a little TXT file with all data extracted from Shark Attack and inserted into this text file. Data is, well, in the future it will be sent to an external device, so there everything is, the baseline is established and, well, if something's wrong, it shows up there. It's all unavailable to patients, they only will worry about it and, yeah. We discussed it why we won't make it available to patients. It's because Alzheimer's patients, well, they won't see any improvement anytime soon. It will only get worse, and it won't. It will not be satisfying if you see a performance drop of that. Well, that's our. Are there any questions? Yes.
How do Alzheimer's patients fail to complete the task?
How do they?
How do they fail? I mean, how do you know that they have Alzheimer's? What do people with Alzheimer's do if you tell them to kill the sharks?
This is only this app is not for everyone. This app is only targeted for patients who are already detected with Alzheimer's. So in the first stage, they still can learn new things like the app, and then you can measure their progression of illness.
Yeah, and how does the progression express itself?
The progression, if you get a feature fit, for example, your short-time memory is decreasing. We can add the tank getting dirty in a longer time, and if after a few days there will pop up a random event saying, did you clean your fish tank a few days ago, or do you still have to do it? And yes or no. And you can see if they actually remember what they have done. Any more? Yeah?
How do you attempt to remember or motivate these people to use the game? Like, I could imagine that, okay, they got this and they have Alzheimer's and they forget that they have this. You know what I mean? So how do you motivate them?
Challenge that in the first stage of Alzheimer's, the patients are that, well, they still can remember the game. Well, it's going to be a challenge to remind them in some way that they have to play the game with a light bulb or something. You still have to figure that out.
Okay.
Well,